Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have some more parts for the 6.0, this time from our friend Jacob over at JV WeldWorks. So let's get back into the house. We'll go ahead, unbox this stuff, and take a look at what we got. All right, guys. So we just finished installing the door handles in the truck in the 6.0, and well, we're in here working on making breakfast, and a box showed up. So I haven't looked. I just cut the tape. So let's open this guy up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff out of here and take a look at what we got. All right, guys. So here is everything. Now, the little nameplate, that is going to be a separate video. So this is actually pretty cool. Double stick tape on this. But I like how you can't see it through the letters. That's nice. And then we have our cowl piece. So this is the wire loom holder. Gets rid of the funny shaped U deal. So when I powder coat a turbo for the truck, the turbo housing, this should make it more visible for one. And two, I can powder coat this, and I can powder coat this, and have everything match. So super nice, actually. Nice bends, all that kind of thing. So these are just raw. Now, anyways, like I was saying, Jacob over at JV WeldWorks, where I got these from, I will leave a link down below to his website. Super cool guy, but he does offer these in different powder coat colors, but y'all know I've powder coated a bunch of stuff under that truck. So I just got these in raw aluminum, and we're going to be powder coating these at some point, but I'm going to go ahead and get them installed in this video, and or this installed in this video. This, I'm going to wait, that'll be another video. But in this video, we are going to get the wire loom piece installed and take a look at it and see. I'm kind of excited to see what kind of room it frees up and all that and how it looks. So let's get out here and get to installing. All right, so we have our old cowl piece here, and as you can see, I mean, this thing's seen better days. The cowl's also cracked, but this thing is all busted and whatnot, so it's just zip tied on. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut the zip ties, get that thing off of there, and we don't have any of the original clips for it, but we do have some 4-wheeler clips. Well, they're not exactly 4-wheeler, but they're kind of the same style deal that we're gonna try, see if these will work. If nothing else, we can nut and bolt the thing. That'll probably have to go through the bottom, but we can nut and bolt the thing, and we should be fine there. Now, at some point, I do want to get a new cowl for this truck and color match it, and this piece from Mr. Jacob, I will probably end up powder coating at some point as well, but for right now, I just want to see how it fits and everything. So we're gonna get this old cowl off of here and see what all we got to do. I'm hoping we don't have to modify anything, but I don't really know. I looked here on YouTube and I couldn't really find any videos on these for that matter. So we're gonna go ahead, like I said, get this thing off of here, figure out what it is that holds the wiring into it, and I will show you all that here in a bit. All right, guys, so we got this old piece out. Now, you should have 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, broke. And then you have tape here. You have tape on this end, and then along the bottom, you have a series of little Christmas tree things. 1, 2, 3, and 4, as you can see. The only one that didn't break is this one, and this one, and this one come out of the harness. So that is that, and we have our new piece, like I said, from JV WeldWorks. So as you can see, I'm gonna go over here so y'all can see it a little better. That frees up a good bit of room right on top of the turbo, which will be nice. Like I said, if I get a turbo and powder coat the housing, you should be able to see it much better. More room to work, all that kind of thing. So we're gonna go ahead, try to find something to attach our new one with, since we don't have anything on here because the other one was broke. And those clips we had a while ago, they're all too big. So I guess technically we could drill the cowl, drill that piece of metal, and then drill our new wire loom piece. But we're gonna try to find something smaller. So anyway, that should be fine there. We will probably have to pull this over just a little bit to the passenger side to kind of straighten that wire loom out, and we should be good to go ahead and start installing the new one. All right, so we happen to have, funny enough, some screws that we powder coated black. We use these to mask off some holes at one point in time, so that'll be perfect up here. And they actually fit perfectly. So anyway, at some point I might have to get some more screws. We'll powder coat them purple when we powder coat this piece. That way everything looks nice. So anyway, we're ready to go ahead. We'll get our new piece up here and see what everything will be looking like. For anybody who is interested to know, these are 1/4 20s. So those seem to work perfect in this deal. Now, we'll say the thing didn't line up like perfect. It did take a little bit of finagling to get it. And one thing I do kind of wish, this is just me, I don't know, but you look, and this piece is nice and straight, which is cool. But, oh, I hit the hood with the camera. I think it'd be cool if do like a pie cut right here, and the same thing on the other side down there, and put a little bit of a bend in this to where it comes flush to the cowl. Now that's just one improvement thing that I could see. Now if we hop up here, you can see this thing makes a lot of room up here. So I mean, yeah, my cowl is cracked. So if that wasn't there, this would look really nice. I would say, let me get a thumbnail. Bam. All right. So, like I said, makes a ton of room. I think it looks nice. Definitely think it looks nicer than that one, the factory one. So this, I believe, is kind of like a 7.3 style type deal. And I mean, again, makes a lot more room. Turbo right there. These clamps, before with these clamps, what I would have to do, take a socket and extension, go through the hole in one of those, and down into the clamp. You know, there's just a bunch of different stuff that this kind of helps out with. So in the future, if we get a turbo, or I might take the housing off of this one, it just depends. I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff together to powder coat and figure out what all I want to powder coat, because that's another thing. Now, I did talk to Jacob, and I did mention it would be cool to be able to get one of these in aluminum, a nice aluminum piece. So if there's anything else that y'all might be interested in product wise for these trucks, you know, stuff like this, drop a comment down below letting me know, and I will relay the message, because I do read all of my comments. I'm not one of those YouTubers that post a video and then I don't care about it anymore. I do read my comments. I do look at suggestions and all that kind of stuff. So, like I said, y'all let me know down below if y'all want to see any other parts of these. I was thinking another cool thing would be like a brake reservoir cover. That would be kind of cool. just stuff like that. I know Full Send Diesel makes those for the Cummins trucks. I think stuff like that would be super cool to have. Just a little dress up stuff. So I am going to relay that message to him and see if we can figure something out there. But anyway, like I said, Jacob's a super cool dude. I hit him up on Instagram about these. He got back with me pretty quick on them and got them shipped out pretty quick. So I ordered these last Friday. They got here today. Today is Saturday, so a week and a day. That's not bad at all. And I do know he was busy with a bunch of stuff. So anyway, guys, I guess there it is. So y'all let me know down in the comments, what do you think? But with that being said, it's been a long few days. Yesterday I built the handles. We put the handles in. Last night we finished wiring this side at about 11 o'clock. And then this morning, got out here about 7:30, finished this side. And it's now about noon or 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I don't know. But anyway, here it is. I think it looks killer. So I guess, well, I guess that's going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.